Hi everyone, it is collagen review time. We are on collagen brand review number 24. This is another grass-fed bovine collagen. It is in the powdered form. There are 2.5 grams per serving. We know that for beauty results, typically you need at least 5 grams. For full body support, you're going to need between 10 and 20 grams. So underdosed right there. So I looked into it. It is grass-fed bovine. It does not disclose the hydrolyzation process. So I'm assuming that it's not done in-house, because normally a company is going to tell you if it's done in-house. So if it's not done in-house, what happens is many brands will buy pre-hydrolyzed collagen. I actually haven't come across any brands yet that don't purchase pre-hydrolyzed collagen. Our collagen that we use, it is bought as whole collagen, and we hydrolyze it ourselves through a process with fruit enzymes. So I'm assuming that this one is being purchased and by a bulk manufacturer of some kind, but they don't disclose that information. So one way or the other, we don't know for sure. It is a super low dose. There is vitamin C in it at 22.5 milligrams in the form of ascorbic acid. Oh, back it up to the collagen. With bovine collagen, what you want is skin. The skin has the highest concentration of peptides. It's the highest quality. This one does not disclose whether it's skin or hide. Don't know. It's probably that bulk purchase that is a combination that is so common in most brands. So I'm left up to my imagination because they don't disclose this information. So they're not trying to draw attention to it, I think, for a reason. So vitamin C, ascorbic acid is the source of vitamin C, which is the lowest quality of vitamin C you can get. It's lab derived. It's in a super low dosage of 22.5 milligrams. So it's going to assist with the collagen synthesis a little bit, but it's not going to provide any overall antioxidant support. So it has zero antioxidant support in this formula. There is some biotin in there. Biotin helps with collagen synthesis as well. It also helps to amplify the results when it comes to hair, skin, nails, if it's in a clinical dosage of some sort. Now, to get the bare bones results with biotin, you're going to need about 500 micrograms. A clinical dosage is like 4,500 micrograms. In this formula, there is 7.5 micrograms. 7.5 micrograms when the minimum you need to get these dermatological results, the results with having really nice hair, is sitting at 500. So far underdosed. It is not enough to help with collagen synthesis in the body at all. So there will be no support there. One of the ingredients that is in this formula that I found interesting is pea protein. And so they threw the pea protein in there to make it seem like it's going to be like this magical complete protein because they've added this pea protein. But listen to how much is in there, because if you're trying to get like a protein, like you're supplementing protein, 250 milligrams isn't going to do much. There's not even 1 gram of this pea protein to provide you with the protein. So it's kind of a strange ad. My guess is for marketing purposes, so they could talk about how there's this extra protein in there. Okay, so there are no artificial flavor sweeteners or preservatives. It is unflavored, so that's fine. That can be a bonus for sure, because, you know, it has that image of being clean because of that. But there is silicon dioxide in there. That is an ingredient that I choose to avoid. It is an anti-caking agent, which makes sense because it's a powdered formula. They want it to mix in really well. It's something that I try to avoid It's in a lot of different things. It's hard to avoid, but if you're eating whole foods, you don't have that problem. If you're really mindful about the quality of ingredients and you're reading labels, you can avoid it. I mean, if you read labels, you can avoid whatever you want to avoid. It's always possible because, anyways, I digress. So overall, this is a low dosage of any sort of active ingredient. So you're going to have to like mega dose yourself to get minimal results. It comes in a package with 160 servings, which seems like, oh, it'll last me forever. Well, that's because it's not going to do anything for you. So you might as well just take the whole bag and get results. But then it becomes expensive. So it seems to be a less expensive one because it's only 18 cents per gram of peptide, but it's not going to do anything for you because it doesn't have the antioxidant formula. It doesn't have anything to provide circulation. It doesn't have any sort of clinical dosage to provide that extra collagen synthesis, and it's just not worth it in my opinion. This brand is the Shaklee brand, and that's it. That's number 24. That concludes this week. We'll see you next week with number 25 on Monday.